Hello everyone guys, in this video I will tell you how you can write your content or articles with Google Trends and ChatGPT and get your website approved in Google Adsense. So you can see a demo in my website that I write all articles with ChatGPT and Google Trends and get it approved. You can also check on your browser that the domain is searchvatika.com. So this website is approved in Google Adsense. So check this video completely. So this video is sponsored by Easy PDF Editor and easy to use PDF editor tool. Check link in description. So guys, you can see that this my domain searchvatika.com is approved in Google Adsense. You can also check it on yourself by opening this website. So ads are running successfully. These all are Google ads. So in this video I will tell you complete demo, so don't skip this video and watch all the parts and follow all the steps to get your website approved in Google Adsense. So I will tell you all the tips and tricks, so don't forget to hit like and share buttons and also subscribe to my channel. So this is my domain hr-web.xyz. So in this video I will put all the content in this website and I will apply this website after completing all the steps, not in this video but later. So this video is for demo purpose, that's why I am using a fresh domain. So this is my WordPress admin. Okay, so first I need to set up category. So this is uncategorized category that I changed name as news, and now I create new categories. So you have to create new categories like technology. One category is technology. Also in this video I will give you some extra tips that will help you to get your website approved in Google Adsense. So don't forget to watch complete video. Also I create next category as entertainment, and next one is politics. Okay, yes, done. So here 4 categories we have created. One more category, we can create sports. Yes, okay. So you have to create these 5 categories like this. One is news, technology, entertainment, politics and sports. So after that you can see that there is no post yet. Okay, so you have to use a good theme. Also I can make a separate video if you want on setup website or setup WordPress theme. So after that you can go to trends.google.com. So this is the Google Trends, like which are trending searches. Go to menu, click on trending now. Yes, this trending now button here. Then click on real time searches or real time trends. Then so choose the country. You can choose United States. So United States, select this country from here, and now you can see these all are trending searches. So from categories option you can choose the category science and tech. Okay, let me first demonstrate with science and tech. Also you need to write articles on different topics or different categories. So here first trending search is about okay, representing arms. So arms kind of articles are not allowed in Google AdSense, so we avoid it. So this is a tech based query. Okay, this Microsoft acquisition of Activision Blizzard blocked by UK. Okay, so this is a tech category. So here you need to be careful that how we select the topics. So this is a good option or good search trend. Okay, so from all topics we create 3. Yes, we create 3 article topics or article titles. Okay, let me show you that how we can create article topics with this search trend. Also I will tell you what are the benefits of searching or selecting post titles from trends. So don't worry, I will explain everything in this video. So now go to okay, let me open a editor. Okay, this is a notepad. So one topic is cloud gaming. that is also searched in this Microsoft Activision deal. Okay, next one is Candy Crush. Okay, this is because the deal is for the Candy Crush game. Okay, let me choose one more topic. Okay, we can choose Microsoft Activision deal. So this is the most critical part. You have to select topics very wisely. I will tell you the reason why we are choosing 3 topics or 3 titles from one news trend. This is very important, guys, and you have to follow this step to get your website approved in Google Adsense. Also, Google Adsense is very tricky these days, so be careful. So the third topic is Microsoft Activision deal. Okay, so these 3 are main topics which we have to cover in first segment. Okay, so let me create this a good title. Explain everything about cloud gaming. Okay, this one is the first topic, and for Candy Crush game we can write it as why Candy Crush game is so popular. Okay, ignore the spelling mistake, no issue, I will mark it correct. Okay, so in the third title we write it like why Microsoft Activision deal is on hold. Okay, so ChatGPT is not so we can say fluent with the search trends, so not search trend but current news. So let me just check it. I'm using a free plan of ChatGPT. You can log into your ChatGPT account and write a query like this. Be specific. Write a 500 words SEO friendly article on topic. Explain everything about cloud gaming. Okay, so this is started. Let me fast forward it for you. Okay, so guys, Google AdSense is very tricky these days, and you need to be very clear about your content and topics and how you publish them. So this is very important for Google AdSense. Also, I approved my website using same kind of strategy, so I'm sure that you all will get your website approved. And don't worry if you have any questions and if you have any queries like why your account is not approved, so you can ask me in the comment box. So you can see that this article is ready. So now let me publish it. So be careful like how we publish. So in this first article we don't have to do much things, like we just click on add new and here we add this. Okay, let me just copy it half. Also, the articles written by ChatGPT are unique, and don't worry, I will test it. Okay, so let me just copy and paste all this. Okay, so this is a pretty big article and good. We need to publish all articles almost 500 words, some 300, some 400, but maximum most of the article will be 500 words, so that will be a good impact. Okay, no issues. Let me just check it in the plagiarism checker. Yes, but all articles written by ChatGPT are unique. I just checked 100 of articles. Okay, yeah, it's just detecting. Yes. So guys, you can ask your questions about Google AdSense and ChatGPT related, and I will answer all that questions. And you can share this video with your friends so that all of your friends get their website approved in Google AdSense. This is one of the tested method, guys, and I have tested this very much on not only one website but on few websites more, and that websites I applied for AdSense yesterday. So I will update once these websites will be approved, and I'm sure that they all will be approved. Okay, the main thing, guys, because we need to choose very specific content that is as per Google policies. So that's why I avoided the arms trends first number of search. So because that kind of categories are not allowed in uh, Google AdSense related category or Google News, not Google News but in AdSense specific. Okay, so almost 90% of this article is unique, so don't worry about it. 97% is unique. Okay, fine. So okay, it's good to go. Only 1 or 2 lines are copied. Okay, so you can see that this article is pretty much fine. So now let me just make it more specific. Okay, also guys, I am using the premium version of Grammarly. That is not necessarily, but as I am already using it, so I am just changing the phrases as per the Grammarly. But it is not 100% required to use Grammarly. But if you are having, then it's good. Okay, no problem, it's fine. But need not to buy it only if you want to get approved in AdSense. Okay, if you are using the basic grammar skills, then that will be pretty much fine. Okay, okay, that's it. So this article is now almost ready. Let me just make a heading. Okay, so I'm writing these are all articles for Google AdSense purpose, not for ranking purpose. So I'm not focusing on page SEO in these articles. So if you want to learn more about on page SEO for WordPress and WordPress posts, so you can watch my another video. I will put the link in description box. Okay, so guys, the main thing which matters after content is interlinking. Interlinking is one of the most crucial part, because this is very much required and very much helpful in terms of Google AdSense approval, because I have reviewed 100 plus websites for Google AdSense and get them approved for my clients, and I know that interlinking is basically linking one post to another post is very much important for Google AdSense. That's why I choose 3 topics for one category, because I can interlink them because they are from same news. Because cloud gaming we are writing about cloud gaming, and next post we will write about Candy Crush game. So Candy Crush game is a cloud game, so that's why we can link both posts. After that we write Microsoft Activision deal. So Microsoft Activision deal is for Candy Crush game, so we can link all 3 posts, interlink. So that's why choosing an topic very precisely. So that's why I said you have to create 3 titles from one search trend. That's why it is required to interlink for Google AdSense. So let me just get a picture. Also see carefully that how we choose a picture and how we publish it. So this one is a cloud gaming picture, and we can download it and use it. Okay, we select category also. So this one is in technology. Okay, I will also tell you one more crucial things that will save you from getting low quality content rejection from Google AdSense. So if you follow my guidelines, then I'm 100% sure that you will never receive low quality guidelines error or rejected by AdSense. So now see that we have downloaded this image from Digital Trends. So at the end of the post we write it like featured image credit goes to Digital Trends. Okay, and now in this block section go to text and select this and this color. So this will change a little down. Okay, so it looks fine now. Okay, so you can see that this post is published. Yes, it's good, amazing, exactly what we want. Okay, also the theme selection process in WordPress or websites for Google AdSense approval is very much important. So if you want a video on how we set up the theme, WordPress theme for AdSense, then you can comment. I will create a separate video. So now let me just write my second topic. Okay, don't worry, actually I'm using a free version of ChatGPT, so it often gives error because it is available only when low data user using. On peak users it will not available, so that is pretty much common. I just refresh it, wait for a minute, and then apply again. So hopefully it starts. Okay, yeah, it starts. So let me just fast forward it. Okay, also in ChatGPT free version you can see that some downtimes, and that is only on when peak users are using the ChatGPT. So they give priority to their upgraded users. So as of now I'm using free version of ChatGPT. Okay, yes, actually this query is not completed, but I think it writes sufficient words. I think these will be more than 300. No problem, we will go with it, and we will also count the words later. Okay, let me just start publishing my second article, and it is okay, let me change the spelling. Okay, and it is pretty much very common. So like in ChatGPT you can get not complete response for some queries due to ChatGPT downtime. Okay, so let us just uh, leave this last paragraph. Okay, only, yes, this one is fine. Okay, okay, let me just check for the words, how many words are there in this. I think these are more than 300. Okay, so more than 300 words in some post are okay, fine, no issue. But we will, okay, 320 words, just check. Okay, we are checking it for plagiarism. And now the important thing comes when we publish it, because how we interlink posts. So this is very much common, so not common, this is very much important thing. So you have to look it carefully, like how we interlink post each other. Okay, yes, we refreshed it. Okay, it's detecting, but we are sure that the post will be not 100% but 90% unique. Okay, so as you can see that we have already published a post. So now I look for the proper space. Okay, so after this second paragraph we can see that we have published this post, explain everything about cloud gaming. Okay, so now just go to the second post we are publishing. Yes, click read like this, and this title, explain everything about cloud gaming, and now paste the post link like this. Yes, it's fine now. It's interlinked. So this is the important thing which is required when you are applying for Google AdSense, because this will put an heavy weightage in Google AdSense because your posts are linked with each other. So I have seen this, and I have done this on hundreds of websites, and all of them are approved in Google AdSense. So make sure to follow these guidelines very much carefully. And also after that, when you publish all three posts, then you have to see again that how we linked all three posts. That is more important, because as we are linking posts, as we are generating more and more posts, so it is important that how we link them, because interlinking them, you can see that this article is 100% unique. So it's good to go now. Okay, so let me just search for an image. Okay, 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 so let me just choose an image. Yes, this one is fine. Okay, good to go. Okay, let me just first we can also select category. So why is this game popular? So actually in this game, this article or this post can come under the news category. Okay, also you can add it in tech, but make sure to not choose two categories for one article, at least until your website get approved. So make sure to choose one article for only one category. Don't repeat categories, or don't add more than one category in any article. So we write same like that before. Featured image credit, the guardians, and then we select the guardians and go to text and change the font color like this. Okay, yes, okay, these all are basic SEO settings. So as I mentioned already that we are writing these posts for only Google AdSense approval. So we are not optimizing it for on-page SEO, just writing the meta description. Meta description is an important factor for Google indexing. Okay, okay, yes, it's now looks amazing that you can see that Candy Crush game, and here an interlink of news about cloud gaming. Okay, so now we go to the cloud gaming, the first article which we published, and go to edit it. And now in this article we will interlink it with the second post. That is why Candy Crush game is so much popular. Okay, this why is Candy Crush game so popular. Okay, so here I add the interlink with read text, and now put the URL in this text. So now the interlink has been added. So this interlink is very much important for transferring link juice, transferring indexing, and also for Google AdSense. So make sure to link your articles as we described in this video. Okay, so now this is the second video, first video, what is cloud gaming. Yes, why is Candy Crush so much popular. So now we head towards the third video, like the topic is why Microsoft Activision deal is on hold. So now this is the important part, like how we link the previous two articles. So interlinking is very much important for both angles, like for Google AdSense and for on-page SEO. Like with the help of interlinking, you can easily rank your long tail keywords. So now we start our third article to write it on ChatGPT. Yes, it started, and you have to search your query just like I did in this ChatGPT, like write 500 words SEO friendly article on the topic this. Okay, so The article will be ready within few minutes, a few seconds. Yes, it is ready now. Okay, so we can publish it. Okay, go to add new, this, and yes. Okay, fine. So just okay, so let me also check this article in small SEO tools plagiarism checker, and we are sure that this article will be more than 90% unique. So but no issue, I'm just checking it once for your satisfaction. Okay, let me just also make it according to Grammarly Premium. Okay, yes. Okay, so guys, this Grammarly plugin is premium is not 100% required, but if you're using it then it is fine. Okay, because the articles written by ChatGPT are already at up to a level that are compatible with grammar and unique words, so no need not to worry about that. But we only need to focus on the topics and the presentation of the articles, like how we link them with each other and how they are interacting. Okay, so that's why I mentioned that to use 3 topics from one news trend. So news trend is also crucial, like you have to use Google Trends in the United States region and use category for that specific category, like tech and business, sports and politics. So these are pretty whitelisted categories for Google AdSense. So I'm 100% sure that you will get approved within a week after applying on Google AdSense. So but you have to make sure that you follow all the guidelines of interlinking and writing articles and choosing topics very wisely. So this is done now. Okay, just few more corrections. Okay, fine. Okay, got it. So okay, so now after that we will interlink the two previously published articles with this, because these all three articles are linked with each other. That these are for Microsoft Activision deal, and the Microsoft Activision deal is for the Candy Crush game, and the third one is that Candy Crush game is a cloud gaming game. So all these 3 articles are interlinked. So this is the most important thing which you have to focus when you are writing article, that your articles, all the articles, not all but a set of articles like 3 4 5 articles should be interlinked, not interlinked but linked with the concept. So that's why we are linking them, interlinking them with that read tag, because this will help users to navigate that Microsoft Activision deal is to deal to acquire Candy Crush, and then we are linking why is Candy Crush game so much popular. So this is a amazing user experience, that user will navigate to that page to check why this game is so much popular. And when they come to the next paragraph, then they will read more about this game. And then we interlinked our second topic, which is explain everything about cloud gaming. So here user will be more curious to know that how cloud gaming works, how this Candy Crush game is working, and their scenario. So this is a white hat user experience. So this is the most important thing in modern SEO and modern Google AdSense approval process. So as you can see that this post is linked, these both posts are linked. So now let me just choose the category. Okay, so here you can set up the technology. Okay, so now my most important tip for you is that always write minimum 6 to 7 articles per category. If you write less article, then you will face a low value content rejection error. So write minimum 6 to 7 articles per category, and try not to repeat category, like you add one article and link 2 3 categories. Don't do that for AdSense approval process. Like you add only one article for one category, and then another article for this category, then another article for this category. So use minimum 6 to 7 articles for one category. So publish minimum 6 to 7 articles for one category, and make sure that all categories will be having minimum 6 to 7 articles, and never leave any blank category. If you are having any blank category, then remove immediately before applying. So here I added the featured image as like before, and adding a feature image credit. So this is from Forbes, and now just change the color of this feature image credit text. Okay, amazing. So this post is published. So now we link this article with remaining 2 articles, like we added their link in this article. So this is also an important thing, that we have to link each 3 articles, interlink. Okay, so internally linking these 3 articles will help pretty much in indexing and in Google AdSense approval process. Okay, so I already added one text in this link in this. So now I am adding this second link, which I published right now. Okay, so here I added. Yes, that is amazing. Okay, great. Also, you can see our different video in which I explained about how you can add your website in Google Search Console and Microsoft Bing Console. So adding your website in Google Webmaster and Bing Webmaster, you can watch my another video. I will put the link in description box. That is an important thing, because if your website is not indexed, then it will prevent you to get approved in Google AdSense. So adding your website is very much important. So I will put a link in video in description. You can watch that video and add your website in both the webmasters. So here I linked both the articles, like I linked all 3 articles. So share this video with your friends, and if you have any questions related to AdSense, ChatGPT, WordPress tutorials, then drop me in the comment box. Don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe button. Thank you.